Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can fix that this app won't work for your device. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your smartphone settings and go into the app management. And here you need to go into the app list and search for Google Play Store. Okay, click on that, and the first step you simply need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Then you need to go back and allow all the permissions like this. Okay, and then you need to go back and open Play Store. Okay, and here you need to click on your profile picture, and here you need to click on manage apps and devices, and you need to delete the unusual or the apps that you are not using from here, and after that you need to install the app again, and after that your issue will be resolved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.